Well, hello, everybody. This is Tim Bost with FinancialCyclesWeekly.com, and we are talking today about Mercury, the Moon, and how they have impacted a trading top in the markets. If we haven't had a chance to meet before, let me introduce myself. I'm the editor and publisher of Financial Cycles Weekly newsletter. It's been in publication since 1988. I'm also the author of numerous books, including Gann Secrets Revealed, The Basic Stock Market Astrology Home Study Course, and many other titles. I've been featured in the Trader's Astrological Almanac, Commodity Classics television show, Trader Planet, and the Trader's World magazine as well. Most recently, I published a book called Mercury, Money, and the Markets, Profitable Planetary Cycles for Short-Term Astro-Trading. You can find this at Amazon.com and direct from the publisher as well. Now, this book has been getting some rave reviews, and I'm very, very pleased with that. Larry Pesavento of Trading Tutor said that it shows amazing accuracy, exact dates of trading events, 40 years into the future. Mahmoud Syed of Invest in Harmony said a splendiferous job. It literally blew my mind. Bill Meridian at Cycles Research called it a unique contribution to financial astrology. And Robert Gover, who wrote Time and Money, says that it's a surprising, reliable way of using astrology to profit in the stock market. And it's also helping traders around the world discover new profits in the markets. Now, here's a little bit of what you'll find in Mercury, Money, and the Markets. They're precision market timing tips from hidden planetary cycles. How to capture Mercury's success factors in your natal horoscope. Back-tested cycles in precious metals and in international markets. How to decipher the trading code in W.D. Gann's strangest book. Mercury's real trading indicator role in first trade horoscopes. How you can profit from the astro-trading advantage. A secret trading technique from a mysterious ancient manuscript. How to identify the most profitable short-term trading opportunities. Dynamic factors in successful astro traders' personal horoscopes. How you can successfully master the trading triad. The hidden side of central banks and global stock exchanges. How to pinpoint market turns with Mercury and the Trans-Neptunians. And the money-making truth about Mercury retrograde, and, of course, much, much more. It's a 278-page book, so there's a lot of material there. But our focus today isn't on everything that this book contains, and it's not really about the book itself. It's just about 19 pages that are included in this 278-page book, Mercury, Money, and the Markets. Mercury Aspects and Angles is the name of one of the chapters. That's the 19 pages that we're talking about. And what this does is describe the unique angular relationship between Mercury and other planets. These dynamics precisely identify trading tops and bottoms, and these can represent some very high profit trading opportunities for us. From the book, we have this quote, "Our analysis has shown that the S&P is most likely to reach a trading top when the angle of arc opening between the Moon and Mercury is 54 degrees. But exactly when does that angle of arc opening between the Moon and Mercury of 54 degrees actually happen? That's an important question. The last time this took place, as we record this, was on March 14th, 2013. On that day, we had the Moon here at 2 degrees of Taurus, and we had Mercury over here at 6 degrees of Pisces. This was an angle of arc opening of 54 degrees. Now, the question is, what happened on the markets when this particular planetary alignment occurred? According to our backtesting research, we showed a likelihood of a trading top at that time. And that's exactly what occurred on March 14th, 2013, with the Moon and Mercury at 54 degrees. We did get a trading top in the S&P. In fact, it was the end of a 3-week uptrend in that index that peaked at exactly that point when Mercury and the Moon had this precise alignment. Now, Mercury angles connect with market energy and activity. They correspond with key tops and bottoms and with trend reversals in the markets. These are confirming factors for other trading indicators. That's one of the best ways to apply them. They identify profitable trading opportunities weeks or even months in advance of when they actually occur. And it's important to realize that this is not just limited to Mercury and the Moon. For the research on the book, we back-tested Mercury combinations with 16 additional planetary bodies that can all give us important market signals. All of them are described in the book, Mercury, Money, and the Markets. There's just one little catch to this whole process. This information is fascinating to read, very, very useful in applying to the trading, but the book tells you what to look for, but not exactly when it will happen. You see, getting the exact dates of Mercury angle activations like this is not particularly an easy process. Mercury angle activations generate uniquely powerful market signals. They provide us with an early warning system for profitable short-term trades. And this is not about intuitive timing or zodiac symbolism. These activations actually smash past the boundaries of the traditional astrological knowledge. These are all empirically derived from rigorous backtesting of the actual performance of the markets. They're based on measurable and repeatable planetary cycles. This is information that's not found in textbooks or in trading software or in any astrological software that's available. It all requires precise mathematical calculations in order to determine when these dates actually take place. These powerful market timing tools are in fact completely unknown to most financial astrologers and to most astro traders as well. And even the traders who do know about them rarely use them to their full advantage because they require a lot of work to calculate, at least until now. We have published this book, Mercury, Money, and the Markets, and gotten an immediate response. A lot of rave reviews, but after the publication of this book, we soon learned that many of our readers wanted extra help in applying these high-powered timing tools to their own astro trading. So that's why we launched a new quarterly publication, Mercury Metrics. It provides the extra help that these traders were looking for, specifically in this area of dealing with Mercury aspect activations. Mercury Metrics, each issue details all of the Mercury angle activations that can trigger market moves for an entire 3-month period. Now, these are specific trading signals that you can put to work in the markets right away. All the heavy-hitting Mercury interactions that can move the markets have been carefully reviewed. We've filtered them and sorted them out for you in advance. The difficult and time-consuming planetary calculations that we have to do have all been done for you. It's a quick read as well. All this planetary trading information that you need has been peeled back and stripped down to its bare essentials, so we can put it in very few pages for you to read. There's no fluff, no frills, no advertising, so you won't get lost in a maze of confusing data and a lot of unnecessary facts for your trading. There are clear references to the exact pages in the Mercury, Money, and the Markets book, so you can go back for more detailed trading information if you want to get that extra research, though. All you have to do is watch the dates that are listed in Mercury Metrics and then take the trades accordingly. Best of all, you don't have to wait to get this valuable information. It's an instant download you can get today to read on your computer, or you can print it out to have by your trading station for day-by-day reference as you trade. Now, it's time for a word of warning about all of this. Using the information in Mercury Metrics may not be right for you. Any kind of trading does involve financial risk, and you can actually lose money in the markets. These precise timing indicators have been derived from empirical research and rigorous backtesting of a lot of historical data, but past performance never guarantees future results. If you don't apply these indicators, and if you don't actually take any trades, you won't make any money in the markets at all. The risks that you take in the market are entirely your own responsibility. But if you're ready to accept those financial risks of active trading, and if you want to add the astro-trading advantage to your own money-making market strategies, then you can get started right away. To get a copy of the current issue of Mercury Metrics, go to this website. It's bit.ly/mmcurrent, and that's MMCURRENT. The C is capitalized in order to get you linked to that. So bit.ly/mmcurrent will let you order a copy of the current issue of Mercury Metrics. But there's also some exciting news right now as well, and that's really what I wanted to share with you today. Mercury Metrics is now also available by subscription. When you subscribe, you'll get each new issue of Mercury Metrics the first day it's published, ready for you to use in your personal astro trading for 3 full months. You'll also get instant delivery of the current issue right away as soon as you subscribe. You won't miss a single issue packed with the specific Mercury activation indicators that you need for your personal trading. And on top of that, you'll also get 24/7 access to a complete online archive of all the previous issues of this money-making publication. And you'll save money, too, when you subscribe. At the annual subscription rate for 4 complete issues, you'll save 52% off the regular single copy price. Plus, if you subscribe right now, you'll also get an additional 34% discount off the first year's price for your subscription. And that's not all. There's a free bonus gift for you as well. Subscribe today and you'll also receive a copy of the premier issue of Mercury Metrics. I guess we could call it a collector's item, but I'm sure you'll enjoy looking at that premier issue as well. So subscribe today and you'll get instant delivery of the current issue, 4 complete issues during the next 12-month period, trading signals for 3 months based on these Mercury activations in each issue that you receive. You'll have 24/7 access to the online archive, a 52% savings off the regular cover price. That's at the normal subscription price, but you'll get a bonus discount of 34 additional % on your first year of subscription, and of course that bonus copy of the premier issue as well. So to subscribe today, or for more information on this offer, you can go to bit.ly/mmsubscription, and the S is capitalized in subscription, MMSUBSCRIPTION, for subscription information. So remember that these Mercury activating factors, in this case that we've illustrated here today, Mercury and the Moon, do help us nail trading tops and bottoms in the markets. It can represent a lot of profit for you. This powerful new publication, Mercury Metrics, is ready for your astro trading success. So I would encourage you to take advantage of this and get a subscription today. Remember, there's a lot of value for you when you subscribe today. You get the current issue, 4 more issues during the next 12 months, the trading signals for 3 months in each issue, the 24/7 access to the archives, and the extra discount with the savings on your first year of subscription, plus a bonus copy of the premier issue. You can subscribe today at bit.ly/mmsubscription with a capital S, or you can get the current issue if you just want 1 copy at bit.ly/mmcurrent with a capital C and current. This is Tim Bost at FinancialCyclesWeekly.com. Thanks so much for taking time to join me today, and I do hope to see you as a subscriber to Mercury Metrics real soon.